Hey guys, what's up? It's me here today. So I am back at Lowe's. They actually changed this up a little bit, but we're doing the Lowe's fan display today. You got all these up here, those. That's the Henderson right there. You got the bolts. Never heard of that. Fanimation 64. Huh. That's cool. Harbor Breeze. Nodus or no, I don't fucking know. Armitages, cheap fans and shit. Centravilles, they moved over here. Used to be over there. Ooh, that's cool. Let me get that kind of bolt. Got a bunch of fans over here. You got smart fans. Crestwell. Oh, interesting. Notice another one, Sailor Bay Audis. Hunters. Centravilles. All of them up here. It's all cool. Slinger by Fanimation. I have those. Cool. Fanimation Airdrop. Calverton, more Centraville. Mason. Carlo. This Ocam up here. That one's a big old boy. They moved the broken ass one. Here's a Hunter Bristlecone. One's broken. It's been broken. Merrimack. Got all of them down here. This one is a Waveport, I'm pretty sure. Yep. That one. I think it's a Coastal Creek pot. Not a Pawtucket. I forget what it's called. We got the Solera. That one's nice. Lake Canton. That's what it is. I think it's a Lyndhurst up there. Lindstead. Okay, I keep getting those confused. Yeah. Anyways, oh wait, there's more over here. We got lights over here. They got more ceiling fans over here in boxes. Kichler lighting. Look at all those. Motion lights, if anybody's interested. The Stokes, that looks nice, modern shit. And then we have a depressed ass Armitage. Some more, for some reason the ball mounts all bent on that. More of these, boob lights and shit. Solera, and another modern fan. I don't know what this is, but anyways guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Yeah, sorry I haven't been recording in a while, just been busy as hell. Anyways guys, hope you enjoyed this, and peace.